What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a tutorial on this look that I have on my face right now. I really like the way it turned out, so if you guys want to see how I created it, then just keep on watching. So I already did my brows and then also this eye just so I can show you one eye because I'm doing the same thing. It doesn't matter. Anyways, I already primed my eyes with my NYX HD Studio Photogenic Concealer, and then I set it with my LA Girl Banana Powder. And then now we're just going to start with the shadows. So I'm going to be using my Kylie Cosmetics Bronze Palette. This is super beat up. If you guys can see the back, like, wow, you can see the reflection of my camera? That's cool, okay. But yeah, there's lash glue and makeup all over this thing. So I'm gonna start off with this shade here, which I believe is Tiger Eye. And I'm just going to fluff that into my crease, and I'm using my Morphe E27. So now that shade's all blended in, I'm going to take the shade Bronzite, which is, yeah, that's so weird. It's this brown color here, and I'm just gonna take this on the outer corner and also bring it into my crease a little bit, staying like below that transition shade. So then I'm gonna take Obsidian, which is this black shade, and you wanna go in with a really light hand on this because it's super pigmented. And also, if you pick too much up on your brush, be careful. Make sure to tap off any excess that you might have. And I'm just gonna keep that on the outer corner. Okay, so now I'm gonna take the shade Jasper, which is this cream white shade. I'm gonna take the other side of my Anastasia brush and put this on my lid. And then I'm taking the clean side of my brush and I'm going to just blend so that there's no harsh lines. So then I'm gonna take these lashes. These are the Baddington lashes in the style Monroe, and I'm just going to place those on my eye. Before you put on your lashes, I just like to put on mascara before I put them on, and I'm just using the Essence the False Lashes Mascara. You can literally use whatever mascara you want. That's just the one that I like to use. Okay, so my lash is on, and I feel like it looks different than this one, but it's fine. I'm just going to take this makeup wipe and kind of clean it up a little bit. Okay, so now I'm gonna move on to my face, and I'm gonna be using my Too Faced Hangover RX Primer, and I'm just gonna put this all over my face. I'm gonna be using my Too Faced Born This Way foundation, and I'm going to apply it with my sponge. I'm using my NYX concealer to conceal under my eyes and on the bridge of my nose. I don't like to conceal anything else usually. Sometimes I'll do my chin or my Cupid's bow, but I don't really like to conceal my forehead. So then I'm gonna take my LA Girl Banana Powder and set my face with that. Now I'm going to take my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer and bronze up my face. I'm going to apply some blush, and I'm going to be using this City Color palette, and I'm going to go for a more like deep mauvey blush. So I think I'm going to use this one here. And then for highlight, I'm going to be using my Casey Holmes and Smashbox collab. And this is the gold pearl palette, the gold palette. And I'm just going to, I'm using the lightest shade right here. And I'm going to apply it to my cheekbones. So my camera ended up overheating, but that's fine. I just went ahead and finished up my eyes and then also added a lip color. So all I did for the lower lashes was I pressed up that dark brown shade on my lower lash line, and then I blended it out with the transition shade. And then for my lips, I used this Palladio and Casey Holmes collab. This is the shade Rescue, and I love it. Honestly, I love all of Casey's collabs, all of her products. I love her boutique, super cute. So this is the completed look. I think it's super cute, and I just really love it. So if you guys did enjoy watching this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Also, comment down below what you guys want to see, and make sure to subscribe and turn on your post notifications for my next upload. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will talk to you guys next time.